We're pleased to introduce the Vectra 3D system to our plastic surgical practice here at Prima Center. I hope that you'll find this video educational and will help let you know what exciting new technology is now available at our office. Please enjoy the video. At Prima Center for Plastic Surgery, we're excited to introduce the Vectra 3D imaging system. Vectra is not well known at this point, but in the future it will undoubtedly become a standard part of a cosmetic surgical consultation. We live in a very visual world. An image is something that you can get your hands around and fully understand. It places the plastic surgeon and the patient on the same game plan. Step into the future with Vectra 3D imaging from Prima Center for Plastic Surgery. The Vectra is just part of the initial consultation. There's a whole process that we will go through with our patient so that they can get comfortable with an implant size and shape that they will look good in. They look at pictures, try implants on using a sizing bra, and then we can move to what size and shape implant looks like on the Vectra. They're given the opportunity to see the after before they actually have the surgery. The tagline for Vectra 3D system is, "See your after before." It really helps women and our patients get a better concept of what they will look like after surgery, and this is the key to understanding implants and the surgical process in general. It is a tremendous educational tool for our patients. It opens up the lines of communication, allowing unprecedented patient input. When women come in for a breast augmentation, the biggest concern is what it will look like afterwards. Sometimes you can feel their anxiety level at the beginning of the consultation. They understand the operation, they have talked with friends and family about the operation, and they've educated themselves on the internet, and they are aware of the risk and complication of the procedure, but usually they have a poor concept of what a specific implant will do for them. It's much different than looking at a panel of before and after photographs. Is it going to be too big or too small? Am I going to be too anything or not enough? Using the Vectra system, we look at your measurements and your sizes that we take physically and those that are automatically generated by the Vectra. Some patients also want to use sizing implants. In the end, they're able to confidently say that this is what I want to look like. Our patients become really comfortable with the process. It eliminates the thought, have I selected the right size? We're able to take the Vectra generated 3D images and show that exact implant as it will appear on you. We'll get to look at it from every angle. We get to look at it from the top, the bottom, and the sides. That's when we get the aha moment. Okay, everything we did, that's what I want to look like. What I like is that once the patient has made their decision, they're confident about their implant selection even before they are taken to the operating room. It increases patient satisfaction and will definitely decrease buyer's remorse when it comes to implant size selection. It gets rid of that anxiety even at the last minute. They become really comfortable with it. It eliminates the thought, have I selected the right size? Let's walk through the Vectra process. What happens? The patient will stand in front of the Vectra machine, and once we have you accurately positioned, facing the Vectra, there's a large flash. It takes some time for the computer to figure out every point on you, and then it creates a 3D image, and then we go through the process of implant selection. We can sort through the catalog of implants available and look at the ones that we think will work the best on you. We can select this implant and pop them up on the monitor. We can show you with a bikini on, with a swimsuit on, with a tank top, or without anything on, and then you'll get a better idea of what you look like after surgery. It gives our patients the confidence to move forward and know what they're going to get in the end. It's a great peace of mind for patients. It would help me think that I'm making the right choice for me. We've received overwhelming positive feedback from our patients. Everyone is amazed. The Vectra can also be used for imaging the face. Currently, it works best for looking at rhinoplasty and chin augmentation, but in the future, we'll be able to show our patients what they'll look like after facial rejuvenation. If you have any further questions about the Vectra system, please let us know.